Good morning, I'm Hugh Durdan. I'm the VP of Marketing and Business Development with the ASIC Business Unit at Marvell. And what we're here to talk about today is an announcement that we released this morning about our 3 nanometer IP platform. So 3 nanometer is the latest technology, it's the absolute cutting edge in the industry, and it provides benefits to customers in terms of density, performance, and power, which are absolutely critical for the leading edge applications that we service in the data center, 5G, and automotive. And what we announced is that we released our portfolio of 3 nanometer IP on a test chip with TSMC, the first test chip that they have done with customers. And the objective is to get all of the IP pre-verified in silicon so that by the time our customers use it either in a Marvell standard product or in a custom product with our ASIC business, that it is ready to go and they can use it with confidence and achieve first-time silicon success.